Infidelity can be a devastating experience in a relationship. If your partner has cheated on you, it's normal to feel a range of emotions, including anger, hurt, and betrayal. Dealing with infidelity is a complex and challenging process, but there are steps you can take to heal and move forward. Here are 10 tips for dealing with infidelity in a relationship. If you are new to the channel, please like the video and subscribe for more content designed around building better relationships. Number 1. Allow yourself to feel. It's important to acknowledge and process your emotions in the aftermath of infidelity. This can include anger, sadness, and confusion. Give yourself time to work through these feelings. Number 2. Communicate openly. Communication is key when dealing with infidelity. It's essential to have an open and honest conversation with your partner about what happened, what you're feeling, and what you need in order to heal. Number 3. Consider therapy. A trained therapist can help you work through the complex emotions and challenges that arise in the aftermath of infidelity. They can also provide guidance and support as you work to rebuild your relationship. Number 4. Take responsibility. If you're the one who cheated, it's important to take responsibility for your actions and apologize sincerely to your partner. This can help to repair the trust and open the door to forgiveness. Number 5. Rebuild trust. Rebuilding trust is a key aspect of recovering from infidelity. This can involve creating new boundaries and agreements, being transparent about your actions and thoughts, and taking steps to demonstrate your commitment to the relationship. Number 6. Make a decision. After working through the process of healing, you and your partner need to make a decision about the future of your relationship. This may involve staying together and working to rebuild, or it may involve ending the relationship. Number 7. Focus on yourself. In the aftermath of infidelity, it's important to take time to focus on yourself and your well-being. This may include practicing self-care, seeking support from friends and family, and engaging in activities that bring you joy. Number 8. Seek support. Dealing with infidelity can be a difficult and emotional process. Seeking support from friends, family, or a therapist can be invaluable in helping you to heal and move forward. Number 9. Be patient. Rebuilding trust and healing after infidelity takes time. Be patient with yourself and your partner as you work through the process. Number 10. Learn from the experience. Infidelity can be a wake-up call for both partners. Use the experience as an opportunity to reflect on what you want and need in a relationship, and to make changes that will lead to a healthier and more fulfilling future. In conclusion, dealing with infidelity in a relationship can be a challenging and emotional process, but it's possible to heal and move forward. By communicating openly, seeking therapy, taking responsibility, rebuilding trust, making a decision, focusing on yourself, seeking support, being patient, and learning from the experience, you can work through the aftermath of infidelity and create a stronger, healthier relationship in the future. Have you experienced infidelity in any of your relationships? How did you manage it? Did you learn anything from the experience? Please share your experiences and lessons in the comments. It might be of help to someone else going through the same experience. Remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more great content on building better relationships. See you in the next video.